Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about making money from home during quarantine. I tried to find things that you didn't need so much experience in, where it's just like, okay, I need money now. Like, how am I supposed to get 2-3 years of experience? Everything that I'm listing in this video is going to be things that can actually make you money. So we're not going to be talking about online surveys where like you spend an hour of your time for 50 cents. We're not here for that. I have some really good tips for you guys. I spent a good amount of time researching these ideas, researching these money opportunities that you can make from home. If you aren't already, follow my Instagram. Make sure you like this video. I know you didn't see the content in it yet. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we're going to start off with the things that you basically need no skills for. You don't need no experience for. It's just ways that you can make money today. Yeah, so let's get into it. So I put this in here as a joke, but you literally can sell your feet online. I'm not even gonna lie. Some of these girls be making mad money by selling their feet online. Me and my boyfriend joke about this all the time. Create your little Instagram account, find these foot fetish people. It's an option. One thing that you can do is sell your items on Mercari. I love Mercari so much. I never had much luck with selling things online. I tried Poshmark, Depop. Now I sell things every single week. You can cash out whenever you want to, but I choose to rack up and cash out every month. I've seen the weirdest shit on there and it sells. I know people on YouTube are like obsessed with Poshmark and they really love it, but like it just didn't work for me. Definitely try it out. Keep in mind to factor in shipping costs, as in like bubble mailers and things like that, but that's pretty much the only cost for doing something like this. The next thing you can do is use extensions like Rakuten and Honey. I spoke about this before in one of my videos. I'm still using Rakuten. I've gotten checks from them before for just shopping, and I like using these services on my Google Chrome extension rather than using it on my phone, just because you can use both of them at the same time if you use it on your laptop. I can look up coupons with Honey, and then after I find the coupon I want, then I can add in the cash back with Rakuten. Okay, the next way to make money at home is by doing online focus groups. I looked up some things online. I was like, is it possible to do this? And it is. I've done focus groups before in the past, but I've only done them in person. You basically sit in a room and you answer questions about a product, anything really that somebody's trying to sell, and you give your opinion on the thing that they're showing you. So you can either get paid in money, gift cards, food, anything like that. Everything that I'm mentioning will be linked down below as always, so don't forget to check out the description box. Next thing that you can do is become a beta, I think they call it beta tester or user tester. I ended up signing up for this service because I want to try it myself. All you do is record yourself, like an audio, and you go through somebody's website or somebody's app, and then you have to basically state like if you have any issues finding that task, and just speak your thoughts out loud, and that's pretty much all you're doing. So this requires no experience also. You can earn up to $60 per test. Yeah, so the next thing you can do is become an online juror, and I've never been to jury duty before, but you can do it online. So you can earn around $50 to $60 doing this. You're not like the deciding factor in a case, but it's still real cases. So okay, next thing is for my college students. And yes, my graduation got canceled too. If you're graduating in 2020, I'm here with you. But it's something we can do. At least we're finishing school. At least we had the opportunity to go to school. But anyway, ways that you can make money online is to sell your notes online to different websites. I just found out about this senior year. If you're still going to be going to school, this is a great way to make money. If you consider yourself like an organized person, this can be great for you. I found 2 websites where you can do this. I tried to find websites where you didn't have to be like a whole professional. I wanted it to be like something that anybody can do. And yeah, and then you earn a commission. Some websites take 50%, which is crazy, but you can definitely search more on your own if you don't like the ones that I listed down below. So definitely take advantage of that. Don't just throw your notes away or burn them like I used to. So next, we're getting into a little bit more of a skill set. It would help if you had some type of training or job training. If you had a job previous to this, it might be easier for you. Or if you have an online audience, this would be a great option for you, and it is affiliate marketing. You're basically like a promoter in a way. to brands and companies. Like, you don't just have to have an online audience to be an affiliate marketer. Also, you can just be somebody who knows how to sell things, or you can just sell it to your friends or family or people that you know. One of them is you can join ClickBank. It's free to join, and you can choose from many different brands, and basically they give you a link, and if anyone clicks on that link, you get a percentage or commission if they make a sale. And that's pretty much it. The next thing that you can do is you can become a customer service representative from your home. Basically, like, you know, if you call like a company and somebody picks up, it can literally be some random person in their home answering your call about like Spotify. I don't know. Yeah, so you can do this too, and basically just answer the phone for companies and earn money from home. So like, if you like to talk on the phone a lot, so the last few ideas that I have are more skill-based. You will have to have some type of knowledge, some type of skill-based, and don't click out of the video yet. We all have skills. Okay. You may think, oh, I'm good at nothing, or I've never done anything before, but there's something that you know. There's something that you're good at. Even if it's being nice to people, that's a part of customer service. A lot of people don't know how to be nice. Like, sometimes we forget the skills that we do have and the skills that we can market. So yeah, let's get into it. So one thing that you can do is tutor somebody. Basic, I know we all know about tutoring. You can tutor somebody on literally anything. There's a website called Cambly. This is something that you can do if you're a native English speaker. So basically, if like English is your first language, then you can get paid to literally have 20-minute conversations with adults who are ESL adults. Does that make sense? And if you're great at English, I don't know, you could probably sign up too, even if it's not your first language. It's also a great way to meet different people around the world. I might try this out. I wasn't gonna do it, but I might try it. I personally, I was tutoring children on video editing. The next thing you can do is become an online or virtual assistant. Help business owners, entrepreneurs, whoever, basically take something off their hands and you basically do it for them. I know a lot of people are making money off of being virtual assistants, and you can actually turn that into more than just like a side hustle while you're quarantined. You can actually make that into like a full-time thing if you want. Another thing you can do, which requires a skill set, is to start an online course. Again, just write down things that you're good at. Ask people, what do they know you for? What do they always come to you asking for you to do for them? Just ask people, if you don't know yourself, what you may be good at. If you know how to do makeup, if you know how to build a website, if you know how to take pictures really good, anything that you know how to do, you can make a course for it. The two websites that I will be checking out and that I will have listed down below is Udemy and Teachable. Those two things you can create courses on and market your courses there. I believe these two websites, they help you market your course, but of course you're gonna want to market it on your own, posting it on social media, letting people know that you have this course out. Another thing that you can do is sell photography or pictures online. The website that I have listed here is Adobe Stock. Most of these services, to sell your photos, you need a subscription, so you're gonna have to put up money up front in order to do it. It's a way to make passive income. I hope this video is not too long. So the last thing that you can do is do freelance work. So freelance work that I have here, you can do freelance writing for people. You can write people's blog posts, you can write people's articles. You can also become a resume builder or build people's resumes. Another freelance work you can do is do voiceovers.
If you have a really nice voice, soothing voice.
You can do video editing, freelance video editing for people. And lastly, you can do social media marketing. So obviously you're gonna have to build up a skill set, you're gonna have to build up credentials and things like that, but it's a way to make money online and support yourself further than just this quarantine thing. And you can do these things on Upwork, you can do these things on Fiverr. Those are the two main sites that I know, but I just want to say this. I think that in order to really have freedom in life is to have your own thing. As we know, during this time, a lot of people are getting laid off, and the ones who are really going to be okay are those who have their own different income streams coming in. As you can see, things can be taken away so quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you share this to help out people who may not know all the different ways that you can make money online. And make sure you subscribe too, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any videos from me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
No, I'ma hold a rice in my hand. Might just go turn her eyes to a fan. Yeah, necessity, never no greed. No, I'm worth more than it seems. You average, my shit is mean. Cause I keep a chip on me. Pray nobody switch on me.